today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Bible app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. So then all you have to do now, you just here you search for PayPal app or just click on search. Then here add PayPal app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for PayPal app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.